The Honor 8X has been one of the best mid-range smartphone ever launched last year. I mean, what's not to love? It is affordable and it has decent specs. And now we finally get to see the successor of the Honor 8X, which is the Honor 9X. But the question is, does it come with Google mobile services even though there's a ban from US government? Well, let's find out on today's unboxing. This is the box of the Honor 9X, and the one I have here is called the Sapphire Blue, and it comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Without wasting time, let's open the box. I think you'll get the usual stuff as well. You get your SIM ejector tool, and then there's a soft jelly case. Then you have the Honor 9X, which I'll talk about it later. Then we have the charging brick that has a 10 watt output, so that means there's no fancy supercharged fast charging. And there is also a USB-C cable. Okay, so that's it. Let's keep this thing and we'll move on to the Honor 8X. 9X, not 8X, 9X. So this is the Honor 9X in Sapphire Blue. Ta-da! And if you reflect it to the light, you will see there's a holographic X that appears at the back. There's a triple camera setup right over the left side of the Honor 9X, and there's a conventional fingerprint scanner as well. But does the Honor 9X comes with Google mobile services? Well, lucky for you, it does. It still comes with your favorite apps such as YouTube, Gmail, Google Play Store, and you don't even have to sideload APK files, which is not secure. But you might be wondering, why does the Honor 9X will come with Google mobile services? Well, according to Honor, this smartphone was actually certified before the US ban. And based on the spec sheet, it is actually quite similar to the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, which was launched in May this year. The Honor 9X comes with a mid-range Kirin 710F processor that's mated to 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. But can you add more storage? Let's find out. Okay, so as you can see, this is a hybrid slot. So that means you can add 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card or 2 nano SIMs. And just like the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, the Honor 9X gets a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus LCD display, and the best part is that it doesn't come with any punch hole or notches. That is because it has a pop-up selfie camera module that houses a 16-megapixel camera. It also has a really slim bezels, but the chin is quite thick, but that's not a big deal. And at the back, you'll notice that there's a triple camera setup that consists of a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, as well as a 2-megapixel depth sensor. And here are the sample shots taken on the Honor 9X. Powering the device is a 4000 mAh battery that charges via a USB-C cable. But unfortunately, there's no fast charging and all you'll get is a 10 watt charging brick out of the box. And if you're interested on the Honor 9X, here's the pricing details. Got it? Got it? You got it. So that's it, that's my unboxing for the Honor 9X. What do you think of this smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. And as usual, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you receive updates from our future videos. And remember to watch 2 of our videos right over here and over here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!